Hello everyone, this is Kuldeep from Gestisoft. Welcome to a new video on Business Central. Today I'll be showing you how you can process your payment tolerance on Business Central. Now if you follow this channel, you will notice that I publish a video first that show you how to set up payment tolerance in Business Central. The link is in the description down below, so make sure you go and watch that video. So this will be a very quick video. First thing that you're going to do is you're going to come into the cash management and open your cash receipt journals, and we are going to create a new payment. So let's say we are going to put the posting date, a late posting date. So let's say it is the 20th of January. So what I want you to understand is a payment tolerance will only work if you have the day, like the window of payment that has been set up in Business Central, which again is in the first video, and I do encourage you to watch that video so then you will have a better idea on what's happening here. So the document type, we're going to put payment, and it is going to be a customer. Now we're going to select our customer here, and then we're going to click on apply entries. Once done, let's say this is an invoice that the customer has paid. We're going to click on set applies to ID, and we're going to click on OK. Now, right now, the amount, it is the total amount that was on the invoice, but let's just assume that this has also taken into account any payment discount that was also available at that time. So let's now adjust this amount, and you will see what this will do. If you did set up your payment tolerance in Business Central, you will have a small window that will open here and ask you to confirm if you want to apply the payment tolerance discount or not. Now, I don't have it right now because I haven't really applied that, and my system, the way that it's working, it's already set up to work for 2026, so I cannot really use this demo version right now to do that. But I can assure you that if you've done it the right way on your system, it will work just as it should. And there you have it. You just go ahead and choose if you want to apply the payment tolerance discount, yes or no, and the real amount will be taken into consideration. So that was just a quick video just to let you know how to process the payment discount tolerance. And I hope you've got enough information out of this. If you want more information, do not hesitate to reach out to us to ask us more about payment tolerance in Business Central, and we will make sure to reply to your question. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.